How we started?
Started now. Yeah, man. No, you mad bring a polluter, man.
You mad?
Them thing your abomination to God, yeah. Oh, you mad bring up about that.
Hear this.
But the whole of them, they youth, them mad now.
Me love trouble, me no trouble. But if trouble, me you never double trouble. As long as me clean and me pot a bubble. That's them me stay out of trouble because trouble not sit like rain. Trouble being hard,
trouble being speed.
Trouble run through everybody vein. And if you think you love trouble, then fuck with me brain. Right now, I like plain. So for them take up trouble with them can't sustain. Me feel like take on the girl now.
Take on the girl now. Take on the girl now, man.
So me now fit the boom.
When me have boom.
Come cut and mash up my radio, them have to fix radio, and a pay man fix radio and they sitting there. You know, the truck, pliers, me go find back at the house, my server give me some steel. You know see, go sit back at me house when me clean down. And still a fight me see me over in the house and say, the man give pussy say me no want no girl or no woman. Eh? Me can't hand that no right and I pray for me dead to get up. Me go buy stove, they say I pray for me burn up and dead and me off then get it. When me dead want get it, God now kill me. We didn't buy that so the man.
Yes, you're afraid to turn on the stove.
And I say afraid to turn on me man. Come here man. You know, listen me when me walk. And me not afraid. When me walk, me must see some more time me money. And me walk hard and receive. You know.
You're friend.
You're friend.
Listen,
me not friend.
You're friend, man.
You see, listen me, man.
Him
a pussy boy. None of no fucking family. Can't ever do anything. Fucking boy. None of no fucking family. Can't ever do anything. Fucking bad man. No fi talk, I fix up your time, no life.
I understand this. I do good. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck it.
Listen, look on it.
Hey, come on, what I know. You know, that big good. Big good has come to you, Jeanette. Lord, what's your shit now? I just tear out the dress.
You know, see how we have one Victoria. I be a them over here. I be a them over here, Jerry. Listen, be a black side, Victoria.
Be good. Be all. Lord, lad. When you come out and naked, you just go bust off of fire. Yeah, man. She not have the man for years. She have a man problem and love problem, but the big good there for her. Big good. Beyond. I come, big good from Jolette to Lord, lad. Shout up and up on the cocky. I want 20 years for fuck her, and I can't fuck her yet, you know.
Why?
She run from the cocky, big good. One Gillette. Why she run from cocky? The cocky bring her come here. I'm going to do what? Hey, Gillette. I'm sitting down on cocky, wrap up on palm. She boy down on the radio.
Walk at the front door.
She said, this girl invite me her house. Right? And when she invite me her house, she want me to walk through her back door. We go in her house. Me said, no, I'm not walking through your back door. I have to walk at the front door because I am tired and I have to rest on your veranda. She make me know, say no, at the back door me have to walk. I said, no, my friend, I don't walk at back door. I walk at the front door. So I have to rest on her veranda where you have the grass grow first. And then I go inside your room, and when I go inside your room, I'm sure to find life inside your room. So I'm not going to look for life and walking through your back door. Argument done. Stay with your party.
Yes, man. Grateful, man. God will take with me.
What am I vote for? Ask me what I vote for. What I vote for? Labour?
No, they will kill me.
Alright, sir.
Married me.
When you're Rasta in the heart. Not the heart. Boy, you put me and win them down there. Alright, we can't win as I win them down there.
Yeah, give me the vote, bro.
I'm not giving you a vote. But me not tell them when me a vote for you. They say that's like I'm going to say I'm rolling store. You bring no mass. Then they confuse me, you know. You know, then they confuse me. Yeah, man. Guess what me do? Me say me swell you to teach me a beast and they confuse me and me do so. You know, bam, bam, bam. Bell and head. Let me see, yes, go, okay, over back.
No, man, you have to just put it on the head.
I mean, use the head pan them as I am, you know.
The head, yeah, so you put it right there.
X, yeah, use the head pan them as I am.
No bell around here.
No, I'm not ungrateful. I'm not ungrateful God to take him just like that.
Yes, Mr. Beast.
Because some of me. You can't like mommy. Mommy.
POV, rate this freestyle.
We have girl January, February, December. So much girl me have a woman calendar. Watch ya, follow me go church, alter me God, baptize me cocky. Girl me need your prayer. You coulda white like flour, black like your tire. Rich girl, Bangkok, Nova Scotia. The girl vex, she find out about the sister. Now me a in-law man and step on. That one I need one. It's not all couple girls Samuel Pan. No, my son can the girl kinda know. 3, my own couple girls have a 3. 4, me not get my own fuck no man. 5, me not fuck no girl but number 5. 6, the first time I fuck she got peace. 7, the second time I fuck she got an advert. 8, the pretty girl lies up on my gate. 9, the girl let me love on my wine. 10, my own couple girls from my complaint. Oh, I'm a son can the girl come on me out with the big and stiff. Them girl why not sit and split. I know sip and chill. Everybody sit on this. When me put fingertip and click. And my next hand them on tits. Yeah, me fuck you like say ya bitch. Girl turn back way and bend and twist. Me fuck girl I put no bend and Chris. Tell the girl make me tell her this. Every girl forget. Ow! Now blood clot, man. And it's ooh. Blood clot.
At Uncle Bomboclaat.
But not no right up. You know right up blood clot, me with it a bomber and slap. But not your pussy clot in them a fight over blood clot. I know man, the blood clot, my brother.
But them would have said upon it down.
But not your pussy one. I know you know we are bomber clot.
Live like madman. A madman live like, can't do that, brother.
Every day
you cuss boy, you pay tax, and no bomber
me
clot.
pay me tax. You know what they say? The better me done with the sick tax, I be bomber rascal. Cause if I dare fuck you, I go and I saw me stay me boy.
Well, them must say so.
Come in love me mix up and them blood clot.
You can't listen to them, man.
I know listen me, I listen me boy. Them fuck me now me blood clot, yeah, so feed the pussy hole them here so. Then we right one here like me a blood clot till a courthouse. And a mother practice me there, no, and the part turn have a blood clot bed, you see. And I say when Uncle Bangkok went down with him bomber rascal money, how hard me work to pussy hole. And when he take a stack, everybody, and then shit with them, duck house with them woman, me say, Leopold. If me they have bread and family up here, so.